vehicle, we have a car covers the first half of the distance between two places. So let us write down the places or show it as two dots. At a speed of 40 kilometers per hour and the second half. So this is our first half. This is our second half. The distances are same here. Okay. S and S same distances both are having, and the second half at 60 kilometers per hour. Now in this much distance the speed was 40 kilometers per hour, and in this much distance next half the speed was 60 kilometers per hour. Okay, now here if you remember when I taught you the theory in the previous video, when distances are same and velocities are different, we directly write down the average velocity formula. Okay, so let us write V1 is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. V2 is equal to 60 kilometers per hour for the second half. S1 is equal to S2 is equal to S. First half, second half is same. So V average, which is asked, average speed is equal to 2 V1 V2 upon V1 plus V2, provided the distance for both the occasions are same. Speeds are different, V1 and V2. So directly you can use this formula for finding out the average speed, because V1 and V2 is given to you and both the distances are same. Fine. So I substitute here. What is V1? 40. What is V2? 60. What is V1? Again 40 plus 60, which is equal to upon 100. 40 plus 60. So answer is 48 kilometers per hour. Just a revision, if there was one third situation, this distance is also S and this is some 80 kilometers per hour, then what formula I would write as V average? This is just for memory. I am not going to solve it, but for memory, this is our V3, memory of the theory which we have learned. 3 V1, V2, V3, simple, it will be easier, no need of following the whole procedure. Okay, V1, V2 plus V2 into V3 plus V1 into V3. Just substitute the values, you will get the answer. Fine. So this is the final answer of the given question, 48 kilometers per hour. Fine.